You don't feel well. You need to see a doctor. But first, you have to call the doctor's office. In English.
Oh, that's me. I never know what to say on the phone.
Don't worry. Today, we'll practice the whole process, from making the appointment to checking in when you arrive.
Wait, the whole thing?
The whole thing. Let's start with a phone call. The receptionist answers. You need to ask for an appointment. Ben, what would you say?
Hello, I am sick. I need a doctor?
I understand you, but here's a more natural way to say it. I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Good. And if you want to see a doctor today, you can ask, is there anything available today?
Is there anything available today?
Exactly. Now say the first one with me. I'd like to make an appointment. Now imagine you need to see the doctor today. Ask, is there anything available today? Good. Now you're ready for the next question. They'll ask, what's the problem? You don't need medical words. Ben, how do you feel?
Oh, my head hurts. I feel bad.
That works. Here's the version everyone understands. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well. Easy.
Now one level up. This one is powerful. If it started yesterday, you say, I've had a headache since yesterday.
I've had a headache since yesterday. Why do we use I've had?
Because it started before, and it's still happening now. That pattern, I've had since, works for everything. Now try one. You've had a cough since Monday.
I've had a cough since Monday.
Now you at home. Say it out loud. And a sore throat for 3 days?
I've had a sore throat for 3 days.
Your turn. Say it out loud. That's the one to remember. I've had since. You just described any problem at any time.
But sometimes they speak so fast. I don't understand.
That's normal. Don't panic. You just say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that? That's easy.
And say it slowly yourself. They'll slow down too. They said something too fast. Ask them.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Now you at home. Say it out loud. Now they'll offer you a time. If it's good, say, that works for me.
That works for me.
Short, polite, and you've booked it. They say, can you come at 2 o'clock? Answer.
That works for me.
Your turn now, out loud. Nice. You can book it and say what is wrong.
But wait, on a real call, don't they ask you other things too? Honestly, that's the part that scares me.
They do. But it's always the same few questions. Once you know them, nothing surprises you. Let's finish the call together. First, they almost always ask, have you been here before? They just want to know, are you a new patient?
Oh, and if it's my first time?
You said no, this is my first time.
No, this is my first time.
And if you have been before, just say, yes, I have. Now you at home, say it out loud. Next, they will ask, can I have your name? You just tell them like this. Bless, it's Ben.
Yes, it's Ben.
You can also say, "My name is Ben." Now you at home, say your own name out loud. Then they offer a time. Can you come in Tuesday at 2? If it is good, you know this one. That works for me.
But what if 2 o'clock is bad for me?
Good question. You do not have to just accept. You can ask, "Do you have anything in the morning?"
Do you have anything in the morning?
Or you can say, "Is there anything sooner?" Now you at home, ask for a better time out loud. When you agree on a time, repeat it back. That way, you are sure you heard it right. So, Wednesday at 10? Thank you.
So, Wednesday at 10? Thank you.
Then end the call politely. See you then. Goodbye.
See you then. Goodbye.
Now you at home, say see you then. Goodbye. Now, let's hear the whole call, start to finish. I'll be the receptionist. Good morning, Dr. Lee's office.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Of course. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, can I have your name?
Yes, it's Ben.
Thank you, Ben. What's the problem?
I don't feel well. I've had a headache since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you come in Tuesday at 2?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Tuesday at 2 o'clock.
Do you have anything in the morning?
I have Wednesday at 10.
So, Wednesday at 10? That works for me. Thank you.
Great. See you then. Feel better.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wait, I did the whole thing. That wasn't so bad.
That's a real call. Hello to goodbye. If this is helping you, subscribe. We practice one real situation every week. Now it's your turn, and this time nothing is on the screen. I'll say the receptionist's line. You answer out loud from memory. Then Ben will give you the answer so you can check. Good morning, Dr. Lee's office. How can I help?
I'd like to make an appointment.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Can I have your name?
Mine is Ben. You say your own name.
And what's the problem?
I don't feel well. I've had a headache since yesterday.
I see. Can you come in Wednesday at 10?
That works for me. Thank you.
Great. See you then.
See you then. Goodbye.
Nicely done. You just made the whole call yourself. It won't be perfect the first time, and that's okay. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. They hear every accent all day, and they want to help you. Tell me in the comments, what makes you most nervous on the phone in English? Next time we walk into the clinic and check in. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
See you there.